The Bronkibooster device is a handy, reusable tool that makes using a pressurized inhaler easier for kids. It fits over the inhaler and helps by reducing the effort needed to use it. Here's how to use your Bronkibooster device in 6 easy steps. Step 1. Remove tool. Remove the card insert and reset tool completely. Step 2. Open device. Slide the clip at the base of the Wisp Bronkibooster to release the back cover. Slide the back cover down. Step 3. Reset counter. Using the reset tool provided, rotate the gear anti-clockwise until the red dot aligns with the arrow below. This will set the starting dose of 200 in the counter window on the front of the Bronkibooster device. Step 4. Assemble inhaler. First, place the mouthpiece of the inhaler into the opening in the front cover. Next, press firmly on the top of the inhaler canister until it clicks into place. Step 5. Close device. First, slide the back cover onto the front cover. Second, slide the safety clip forwards. Step 6. Activate. Hold the device upright and squeeze the ears together to release medication. Replace the inhaler once the counter shows the red zone. Bronkibooster devices can be reused up to 12 times. For more information, visit bronkiboosters.com.